Imagine waking up and knowing that money came into your account while you were sleeping. That's the power of passive income. And in 2025, there are more opportunities than ever. Let me break down the 3 best passive income ideas you can start this year. The first is dividend-paying stocks and ETFs. When you buy shares of companies like Apple, Microsoft, or Coca-Cola, you're not just hoping the price goes up, you're also entitled to a piece of their profits. Every quarter, these companies pay dividends directly into your account. Think of it as a reward for being a shareholder. And here's the secret. If you reinvest those dividends, your money compounds and grows even faster. Even starting small, like $50 or $100 a month, can grow into a serious passive income stream over time. It's slow at first, but it's one of the safest and most reliable ways to build wealth. If you want detailed on this topic, I have already made video on it. Watch it later after end this video. Link in the description. Second, digital products. This is where your creativity pays off. Whether it's an ebook, a budgeting spreadsheet, or an online course, you create it once, and it can sell over and over again. For example, imagine you design a simple Canva template for social media. You upload it to a site like Etsy or Gumroad, and people around the world can buy it any time of the day, even while you're asleep. Unlike freelancing, where you trade time for money, digital products scale. 1 hour of work could bring in income for months or even years if you market it well. Third, real estate crowdfunding. In the past, investing in real estate meant buying an entire property, which cost thousands of dollars. But today, platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul allow you to invest with as little as $100. You're basically teaming up with thousands of other investors to buy properties, office buildings, apartments, even shopping centers. The platform manages everything, and you earn a share of the rental income plus any increase in property value. It's real estate made simple. No tenants, no maintenance, just passive cash flow. So those are the top 3 passive income ideas for 2025. Dividend stocks for long-term growth, digital products for scalable income, and real estate crowdfunding for real estate without the headaches. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money work for you instead of the other way around. Also, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and write a comment, is it helpful for you or not?